Vincenzo Cotroni, also known as the Egg, was an Italian-born Canadian crime boss who rose to infamy as the leader of the Cotroni crime family in Montreal, Quebec. Cotroni made an unlikely transition from a career as a wrestler to becoming a notorious Italian-born Canadian crime boss. His journey from the ring to the world of organized crime is a fascinating one, marked by strategic maneuvers and calculated risks. Over time, Cotroni managed to consolidate power and establish himself as a formidable figure within the criminal underworld of Montreal. His story provides a captivating insight into the complex dynamics of organized crime and the individuals who rise to prominence within it. Born in Mamela, Calabria, Italy, in 1911, he immigrated to Canada in the 1920s and eventually became a prominent figure in organized crime in Montreal. Cotroni's criminal career began with involvement in illegal gambling and the sale of contraband liquor during the Prohibition era. Over time, he expanded his operations to include drug trafficking, extortion, and money laundering. Under his leadership, the Cotroni crime family became one of the most powerful and influential criminal organizations in Canada. Notably, Cotroni was known for maintaining a low profile and operating discreetly, which contributed to his ability to evade law enforcement for many years. He cultivated strong connections with other crime syndicates, both domestically and internationally, further solidifying his family's position in the underworld. Despite his efforts to remain under the radar, Cotroni and his organization attracted the attention of law enforcement agencies, leading to numerous investigations and attempts to dismantle their criminal activities. However, Cotroni's savvy business sense and strategic operations helped him navigate through these challenges. In 1976, Vincenzo Cotroni was arrested as part of a large-scale police operation targeting organized crime in Montreal. This marked a significant blow to the Cotroni crime family, as it disrupted their operations and led to a decline in their influence. Cotroni's legacy, however, continued to cast a long shadow over the criminal underworld in Canada. His notoriety, strategic prowess, and enduring impact on organized crime in Montreal have made him a compelling figure in the annals of criminal history. Decline. Following his arrest in 1976 as part of a major operation targeting organized crime in Montreal, Cotroni's influence began to wane. The extensive police crackdown significantly disrupted the operations of the Cotroni crime family and weakened their hold on Montreal's criminal underworld. Furthermore, Cotroni's leadership faced internal challenges, with power struggles and conflicts emerging within his organization. These tensions contributed to the family's instability and further hindered its ability to maintain control over illicit activities in the region. As law enforcement agencies intensified their efforts to dismantle organized crime networks, including the Cotroni family, Vincenzo Cotroni's ability to operate freely and effectively diminished. The combination of external law enforcement pressure and internal discord ultimately led to a decline in Cotroni's career and the influence of the Cotroni crime family. While the family's presence in Montreal's criminal landscape persisted to some extent, its prominence and power had significantly diminished by the time of Cotroni's passing in 1984. This period marked a significant shift in the dynamics of organized crime in Montreal, as newer figures and organizations emerged to fill the void left by the decline of the once dominant Cotroni family.